Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing video, question mark. I don't know what's going on with my GoPro. It just keeps running for a little bit and turning itself off, turning off the mic. It's acting crazy. It might need an update. But I took this out of the box and filmed it, and you didn't see any of it. This is crazy simple to put together. It comes unlocked, so you have to put this on, and up top you got to put the handlebars on, and I'll show you that. From there, it does have a kickstand. It's on the side by the wheel. It's a little bit odd, but here, let me show you a few things real quick. So when you get it, you'll be putting on this plate here, and that's where I left off. It does have a kickstand. It's got dual shocks. Look at these beautiful tires, 10-inch tires. It goes 28 miles an hour. It's got a 10 amp battery with 800 watt motor. Goes 28 miles per hour. Goes the weight on it, capability is 330 pounds. But yeah, look at this thing. It is freaking cool. So let's get into this. So this has already been tightened down. That's simple. This is where your throttle is. You got all your controllers. Let's lift this up real quick and let's plug in the battery. Boom. So, dude, that is it. So let's take a look at this thing. All right, this little red thing, I want to show you this in a little bit, but you can actually hang your bag, like grocery bag or something like that, but that's also where it connects down on the other side, so it can be a briefcase. But, man, this is cool. All right, so let's remove the peel. Look at that. Huh. All right. So we've got, can you see that? We've got lights. This thing lit up crazy. Look at all that. Wonder if the turn signals, let's look at the turn signals. Wow. Let you know that, huh? Horn. Okay, let's get back at it. This thing's lit up like crazy. We have assist up to 4, and that's your turbo. And then you got 1. You got your throttle right here. And it goes 9 miles per hour. Pedal assist 2 gives you 15. That's 4. And then your turbo is 28. Wow, that is crazy. It's got cruise control. That's cool. See that right there? If you hold it for just about 3 or 4 seconds, it holds it for you. That is so cool. You hit your brakes, it shows a little hazard light. So let's just test it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's run it till this thing stops flashing. There it is. So when that stops flashing, that'll, wow, this thing is flying. There you go. And let's just double check. I want to hit the plus and minus button at the exact same time. Doesn't really show anything. I don't really want to mess anything up. So turn signals right there. This bad boy is lit up, man. How cool is that? I do want to show you, so your charging ports are right here on the deck. It comes in this little bag right here, and I'll get you closer. But comes with tools, your charger, your manual, And that actually just Velcros right up here if you want to keep it on there. But I want to show you this. I'm gonna take this. This is tight. Come on, buddy. Man. And then laying this down, move this little hook right just like that. And now this thing becomes where it can be stored. And these are a lot of fun, man. They're scary to the fact that there's no rake and trail. Most bikes are, the further the wheel is out, the straighter and true it will run. This being directly underneath you makes it super spooky. Do not ride this with one hand. Make sure you ride with a helmet just to keep you safe. Just pull this and lock it in. But yeah, don't ride this without a helmet, because it can be spooky. But if you would like one of these, I'll put it in the description below. It is really cool. I like it. It's something you could just get on and just go. 28 miles per hour, that's insane. But yeah, I'll put it in the description below. If you would like more videos like this, hit the notification bell, hit the thumbs up. It'll show you when I come out with more videos. And yeah, if you like one of these, I'll put it in the description. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you next time.